The world needs highly trained physicists because physicists can tackle any and all problems to solve societal challenges.
We need advanced technologies, and those technologies can only be developed if you have people who understand the fundamental physics and can apply it.
We owe to society to train physicists in an area which can contribute to solve the problems of humanity.
The University of Twente is a beautiful campus university in the east of the Netherlands, close to cities like Amsterdam, Brussels and Cologne. My name is Sissy de Beer and I'm the program director of Applied Physics. We are training the next generation scientists and engineers who can translate fundamental physics to real-world application. We have a 2-year master program and a 4-year PhD program which is open to the entire world.
My name is Ali. I'm currently in my second and final year of my master's in applied physics here, and I'm working on my master's thesis at the moment.
My name is Femke Witmans and I'm a PhD researcher. I already did a bachelor and master study in Twente and I really liked the atmosphere here, so I decided to stay here.
The master students are very well embedded in the research. Here in the research group you collaborate with the scientists. Also an internship is part of it.
We're currently studying topological insulators and the quantum spin Hall effect. You have access to so many wonderful facilities. All the lecturers and teachers are very friendly. It's very easy to collaborate.
And as a PhD student, you're completely embedded in a research group.
The research on quantum physics at the University of Twente can be split into 2 parts. One part is focused on quantum photonics, and I work in the field of quantum electronics and I work on transport measurements on topological insulator devices. We have the biggest academic clean room from the Netherlands, so that's a really nice facility to have here as well. Maybe in the future, the research I'm doing right now can be applied for a quantum computer.
My name is David Marpong. I'm a professor here at the University of Twente. The overall scope of Chiptech research here in Twente range from design and then fabrication and also making complex systems based on chip technologies produced here. Currently my research is focusing on harnessing light and sound interaction in integrated photonic chips. In our program we have a applied nanophotonics specialization that focuses on the physics of light interaction with matter down to creating photonic integrated circuits and technologies to be used in complex optical systems.
My name is Dieter Vlose and my field is physics of fluids. One of the examples of the things what we are doing right now is melting of ice, and to connect the scales, the understanding of melting on this small scale towards even the global scale, the ocean models and the climate models. That's one of the great challenges for mankind, and this is what we are now deeply involved in. We built a Taylor-Quiet machine, and this is possible thanks to the skill of the technicians we have in Twente.
My name is Rebecca Seff. I'm a professor of applied physics here at the University of Twente. We do material science really at the frontiers for the new topics that are very important, such as quantum and energy. One of our main research focuses right now is we want to increase the yield that the solar cell can give us. We use a specific material that converts the sunlight into lower energy, or we call it also cold photons. And that gives us then really interesting physics effect. We collimate and concentrate this light. We have access here to the nanolab. We also have high-end characterization tools such as a completely new transmission electron microscope, for example.
Within applied physics, we collaborate a lot with industry. I collaborate with the potato industry, so we develop coatings to extract proteins from wastewater.
We were looking into how to make solar cells more efficient, and then we spun out a company, a startup. A very unique feature at the University of Twente is that there's an incubator situated on campus. You can be on campus, you can still be close to the research group, but you can still have your own facilities.
Here in Twente we have a very international community. Half of the staff members is international. For international students it's also very easy to get introduced here, to get to know people. For me it is the best place to be. I get to collaborate with colleagues who are top scientists. We have great facilities, but also the environment is really beautiful.
Living and studying in this part of the world is very unique. There's lots of nature around, but there's also a bustling city center and lots of very large cities close by as well. There's so much value to be found in applied physics at the University of Twente, but I think first and foremost in the people.
You should study applied physics in Twente if you're curious about the world, if you want to learn more about the fundamental building blocks and want to contribute to real-life applications.